General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
And let's knock out the chart work. Hold up. Wednesday the 15th. You can trade Mondays, bread and butter, options expiry week. Morning time we had a drop, but then it just stopped. The drop and the stop. Shout out to the previous week low, previous week high. And let me fix the other one because I don't need the other one now. Come on. Let me update this again. TQ is on. Bam. And we don't need this daily open. That's perfect now. Nice and clean. So today was New York reversal model. Look like previous day's highs, a flat top. Crazy. Yeah, it's about side liquidity because it took a low. We already way down here. Note this chart too, because this was a contract rollover gap for an easy sale just now, not too long ago. But on that futures chart, right here, you see where we at? We still, and we going back up. So you can be confused. But current contract looks like this, and this US 100. None of my drawings moved, so I didn't experience that. So good job, me. gap is filled by now. Now you want to see it from this perspective because we're not in here in this previous day. We're not up here. We're here. Still at 50% of previous month's range. But we got this bag down here. It ain't no fresh bag, but it's still a bag. It's a down candle low here. It's an up candle low. Oh, snap. Do this. Make it red. See here. It's interesting. Next liquidity pool. Low resistance liquidity run 2 here as well. What's this? Okay, EQ of a previous week. Just the first 2 weeks here. Yeah, week 3. That's the target. Thinking lower. Next target is also note. News tomorrow. FP. Let's go. What if NFP pushes us to all-time high because it's like just really good or something? It's like, I don't know. But this this sale is going crazy. Just ran into this. What's crazy is I'm over here on the futures chart. It ain't moving like this. It's like CFDs first. Mm-hmm. Closing 2 lows. I don't think previous one's low is safe. Just looking like end of year sell off. That's just what it's looking like. At least a year. If we turn around in here, okay, or See what silver did. Mhm. Silver just came out like 15-minute chart. Mm, kind of just playing inside of Friday. Yeah, I'll be looking at Monday like engineer liquidity. And that's it. Yeah, Friday's the last biggest day out of the last 3 days. Since Monday didn't take liquidity. And Friday took Thursday high and low from last week. We hold it in a range. Sell above. Mm, I think NFP and CPI. No, I don't know. Yeah. I'm bullish on silver, but I don't know about came in front of CPI. Liquidity. Yeah, that'll be weird. Hmm. I like how some levels just print. We're still in previous month's range. It's week 3. Mm, this is Friday. Euro. Very small range day. Tell this is waiting on news. Okay, we took our previous week's holiday. It just came back. Merger revert date. Tag type. We can wait for news on this. You can tell. We are really holding. And Eurozone has a ton of news this week. Okay. H1. Look at this. Nice house Thursday. I watch these lows and I watch Thursday's low. It doesn't feel safe. I mean, it's a good low, but it is nice for like an internal range liquidity sweep. And the bare minimum, Friday's low, Monday's low. At minimum, I will want Friday's low to buy to put a price. Would be the Thursday low. Since a lot of stops there. Retail may feel safe place since cost of displacement. You could get a wick just to be, I'm gonna come get your break even if you already did your partials. That was it. Mm-hmm. Well, they took out previous week's high fast. Framework layout. Yeah. What did I learn about pattern narrative myself? I don't know. Maybe start an app for today. Well, I'll watch for tomorrow. The news. All right. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.